Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. Today's 5-minute workout will be a glute workout. This one left me so sore, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started on our forearms and knees with some regular fire hydrants to the left side for 40 seconds. Let's go. Be sure to connect your belly button to your spine. I know we want to swing that leg as high as we can, but only lift it as high as you can, keeping your hips in line. So we are not opening our hips. Keep both hip bones facing the floor as well as your shoulders. Keep going for 20 more seconds. Finishing this last one, and then we'll stay on this side for some donkey kick pulses. So once again, we're lifting the same left leg. Make sure the knee is bent 90 degrees. Feel free to flex your foot and imagine you're stamping the ceiling with your foot. Try to keep the belly button connected to the spine. Once again, both hips are square. We're only lifting the leg as high as it can go without arching the back. So we're really tapping into our glute muscle. If you're feeling that bottom glute as well, that's totally normal. And if you're also feeling the top hamstring, also pretty normal. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. You have a 10-second breather. Once again, we are lifting the left leg to the side, but this time we're going to place our left palm on the floor as well, slightly opening the shoulders and the hips. Try to eliminate any kind of momentum or swinging motion. Try to lift with control and strength, only lifting as high as you can, keeping your shoulders and hips facing the same direction. You have about 25 seconds left. Keep going. This one is great for dancers who want to improve their tilts or any kinds of contemporary leg holds. And it's also a great hip opener. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. You have about 10 seconds before we go to the other side, and now lifting the right leg. I know you're feeling super tired and fatigued here, but you can do it. Trust me. Let's go with those fire hydrants on the right side. Once again, as always, if you need to take a breather, feel free to do so. Listen to your body. Form is by far the most important thing here. So if you feel like you're starting to lose your form, just take a breather and then come back when you're ready. Let's keep going for about 20 more seconds. All right, relax. I know those legs are feeling heavy. Next, we have those donkey kickback pulses in 3, 2, 1. 40 seconds with the right leg up. Let's go. All right, last one. Beautiful. 10 seconds to breathe, to stretch, whatever you need to do. Next, we place the right hand flat on the floor, open up the right knee directly to the side, keeping the hips nice and squared off the same direction where our shoulders are facing. Keep going. Connect the belly button to the spine, open the knee, and make sure that the knee is opening straight above the other knee as if you're in a wide second position. Try not to collapse in your body. Press against the floor. This is as much of a glute workout as it is kind of a plank. If you think about it, you're lifting your body, connecting your core Still working those glutes. I know this is so tiring, but we're almost there. You literally have 10 more seconds of this exercise before we have our final exercise. So let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful 10 seconds to transition onto your back to finish out with some bridge pulses. Option to lift your heels here, option to lift your arms here. Do what feels good, but either way, you're lifting those hips to be in a straight line from your knees to your shoulders, and you're doing little glute pulses. Keep squeezing the glutes, lift the hips, belly button to spine connection, and we have about 26 seconds left. Keep going. Let's finish in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Guys, you made it. We made it. Go ahead and take a figure 4 with your right heel on your left thigh. Option to thread your hands through. This should feel super good on the glutes. We'll just stay here for a second. And let's switch with the left heel on top of the right thigh. Same thing. Option to thread the hands through once again into a full figure 4. Come up to a seated position and let's do a butterfly once again to open up the hips, stretch out the glutes. Option to fold forward here as well. Bring your nose well past your toes. Go ahead and stack the right heel on the left knee. Relax here. Option to fold forward. I know this position is super hard after what we just did. Just try to relax. And then we'll do the same thing on the second side, taking the left heel on top of the right knee. And go ahead and go forward if you can. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.